Well, hello guys, it's me, Bradie from Sparrow Quilt Company, and I'm so excited to be filming again from our brand new studio here in Edmonton. Today I am working on a really cute little applique project. It's called the Love Bus, and you can see there it's a little Volkswagen style bus, kind of a little hippie bus, and I just wanted to show you how quick and easy it is to whip up a quilt using these applique elements projects, which you can find on our website at sparrowquiltco.com. In order to make my job even easier, today I'm using the Caterpillar Glow Ultra, which is the oversized one, large enough to cut yardage even right off the bolt, or even lay out a full fat quarter nice and big in order to cut anything that you need to cut with a little bit of extra light, and I'll show you what I mean. It's got 3 different light settings. I'm going to put it on the highest setting because I'm going to be shining through a layer of paper and fabric in order to lay out all my pieces. So the first thing I need to do is take out the pattern instruction sheet, and you can see there that it has a layout where all the bits and pieces are going to go. So I'm going to lay that down first, and then I'm going to place my fabric on top of that. Just make sure it's centered. I want to make sure that I've got that nice 1/4 inch on every side, so that when I add binding to this later or piece it into a quilt, I'm not going to cut off any of my fusible design. So that looks pretty good to me. What I really like about these pattern instructions is that it numbers the pieces on the paper, so it tells me that number 1 are these little wheels. And what I'm going to do is remove the paper. These items come with the fusible web already put onto the back of the fabric, and they are laser cut, so they are really precise. And boy, does that save you a lot of time and effort when you are putting these type of projects together. If you've ever done an applique project, you know how much work it is to trace all those pieces and cut them out, plus add the fusible web. All right. So I'm just going to bring this over now to my pressing surface, lay it there for a moment, and I'm going to press on those pieces I've just added. I like to count to 5, 3, 4, 5, and you're going to use a lower heat setting on your iron. They recommend the silk setting, and that should be enough to just lightly melt that glue on the backside and allow that glue to adhere to the fabric that you're using. Now I'm going to reposition this, make sure my little wheels are lined up. Piece number 2 is the body of my van, so I'm going to bring that over next. Just got to peel off an edge carefully, and then I can center this here and put it on. And that light is so bright, I can still see all the other pieces and where their placement is going to be, which is really important so that everything looks the way it should. I'm going to put on 2 layers this time and then bring it over to my pressing pad. And I can see the lines straight through there. It's perfect. Lay that out next. This time I'm going to keep the paper underneath so that I don't have to keep repositioning it, and that will help me carry it over to my pressing pad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That should do it. We don't want to overcook it because then it makes it crispy and it won't stick properly anymore. All right, so what is number 4? Next, we're going to do this little bumper along the bottom edge. Now these fabrics are all coordinating, so they go together really well. You can just trust that the project is going to be gorgeous. All right, and number 5, what's next? 5 and 6 are the windows up top here. So you can see I'm trying to be a bit more efficient, add a couple of pieces at once before taking it over to press. And this fusible web that they use down there when they're making the applique elements, it's a little bit sticky even before we press it, so I like that. It holds things in place. If you've ever had a gust of wind come up when you're doing applique and everything blows all over the place, I don't know about you, but I start using lots of really colorful language when that happens. Definitely not video friendly, that's for sure. So we'll press those on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now my bumper, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is coming along really well. Look how cute that is. So I'm just gonna keep going here and adding my little hippie flowers across the top. Number 7 is this circle in the middle. Number 7 and number 8. So I hope you like the look of these cool Applique Elements projects, or even the Caterpillar Glow Ultra. Like I said, the Ultra is the oversized one. There is also the Premium, which is a little bit smaller, but that one is cordless, so it is pretty handy as well. If you're interested in any of the products that I'm using in this video today, you can find everything at sparrowquiltco.com, or you could click the link above this video. One goes right there. We're getting there, guys. Well, I won't keep you. I'll finish this up and I'll post a photo of it a little bit later once it is completed. But like I said, you can find all of these products at sparrowquiltco.com. Thanks for watching, guys, and bye for now.